The Rental Show 2018 is coming up, so it's time to get set for the show with the new app. Let's take a quick tour to see ways you can use it to prepare for the show and while in New Orleans. To get started, download this year's version through the App Store for Apple or Google Play for Android. When you open the app for the first time, sign in using your last name and the registration ID number that was sent on your registration confirmation. This will make the app customizable to your show experience. When you open the app, you'll see the home page. The top row are your customizable features, which we will get to shortly. The middle includes the activity feed for the show's Twitter and Facebook feeds, sessions for the show's schedule of events, speakers to learn more about the educational session presenters, exhibitors to see all of the exhibiting companies, floor plan to see the convention center layout, and messages to read updates from the show. Let's take an in-depth look at some of these key features. The sessions and My Schedule icons go hand in hand. When looking at the sessions, each has a plus sign to add to My Schedule. Simply find the events you will be attending, click on the plus sign, and they will be added to My Schedule. When you return to the home screen using the icon in the top left, go to My Schedule and a personalized schedule has been created. You can even create your own appointments to remind yourself of other meetings outside of the official schedule. A personalized list of exhibitors can be created as well. Scroll through the exhibitor list and find exhibitors you want to visit by clicking on the plus sign above My Exhibitors. This creates a personalized list for easy planning. You can then filter this list by clicking on My Exhibitors and then Results. Here you can make notes on products, questions, or ideas, see where they are located on the show floor, and check them off once you've visited their booth. In the filter, you can also view lists of specific exhibitors with show-only specials and ones that are new exhibitors, show sponsors, and those featured in the hot list or ones who have certain product categories. When you click on an exhibitor's location, you can also use the Wayfinder to see how to get from one exhibitor to the next one on your list. You can also create a list of companies you visited using the Scan Exhibitor icon to snap the QR code on an exhibitor's badge. Shortly after the show, you'll be emailed this list of the exhibitors you scanned. Another way the app will help you in New Orleans is by sending notifications to complete seminar evaluations. If you have full registration or registered for events and tents, you'll be notified when these evaluations are ready to be completed. Also, don't forget about the briefcase icon. This is a helpful way to send your lists and notes for My Exhibitors, My Sessions, and My Speakers directly to your email in a convenient Excel spreadsheet. The Rental Show 2018 app features plenty of ways to make the most out of your time at the show. Take the time to explore the app and its features before you leave for New Orleans. We'll see you at the show.